hurricane warning in effect. What? Southwest winds 30 to 40 knots with gusts up to 60 knots and seas 5 to 8 feet. Where? Coastal waters from Swamee River to Keaton Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Swamee River to Apalachicola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. When? Tropical storm force winds possible from early Wednesday morning until Wednesday afternoon. Impacts. Extremely strong winds will cause hazardous seas which will likely capsize or damage vessels and severely reduce visibility. Mariners should remain in port, alter course, and/or secure the vessel for extreme conditions.